Greetings, friends, and welcome back. Today is day 12 of my 25 Days of Christmas series. We are just about halfway through, so that's exciting. Today, I created this super glittery holiday glam look. This look was inspired by a look that Atlee did. If you don't follow her, you should. This is her version of the look right here. Mine's a little different. I just kind of catered it to my taste, but that is the inspiration pick, and she did that really cool like feline cat eye inner corner liner thing, which I never have and never will be able to do. So we went with just a smoked out lower lash line instead. If you are interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep on watching. Hi. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take the NYX eye and eyebrow pencil in the shade Taupe. Looks like these. And I'm just gonna use that to kind of sketch out the shape of the giant, essentially wing is what it is. So to start off, I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue. I'm going to squeeze some of that on the back of my hand. And taking that Wet n Wild shadow brush, I'm just going to start applying that all over. So I just dumped out some of that NYX gold glitter onto a paper towel. Taking that same brush, just because it's a little tacky now, I'm gonna pick up some of that glitter and just begin to press that all over the lid. I already regret this. Oh wow, that's a look, isn't it? I'm gonna have glitter on my body for the next 20 years. The actual wing is a little less opaque than the full lid, so I'm gonna go back in eventually and just get some more product out there, but for now I'm just gonna hop on over to doing the other eye. So to clean up my wings, I'm going to use the NYX, I think it's just the Crystal Gold liquid liner, and I'm going to use that on the wing area just to help get that more precise and clean. You can see this on camera, but this gold is a slightly more yellow gold than the actual glitter on our eyes, so I'm actually just gonna drag some of that throughout the outer third, just so there's a slight gradient into the outer wing so it doesn't look like we cheated, even though we did. Alright, so I don't know if it's because my eyes are a little sensitive right now because I was wearing lashes last night, or what the deal is, but I'm having an allergic reaction to this glitter liner. So we're gonna push through for now, but if it does not calm down in a couple of minutes, I'm just gonna take this off and we'll come up with something else to do. But for now, wow, for now I'm just gonna try and finish it up. We don't have really anything else to do, so hopefully it kind of settles down. To get some of this glitter off, obviously there's just gonna be glitter on our face. That's just how it's gonna be. I'm gonna take my Morphe Y11 brush. What helps with this, I mean, like I said, there's no way we're gonna get all of this off right now, but is using kind of short, aggressive strokes with it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my face on real fast, and then we'll finish up the eyes. Alrighty, my face is on. The glitter covered pretty well. There's a couple flecks here and there, but my eyeballs are covered in glitter, so it's just gonna be what it's gonna be. So really quick, I'm gonna tight line my eyes. Where did that brush go? I just cleaned it. Where you at, boy? And then taking my Japanese smudgy brush and the shade Licorice out of the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar. Then taking a clean Wet n Wild shadow brush. Alright, I'm gonna put some mascara and lashes on, and then we will do our lips and finish it all up. Alright, lashes are on. I thought about putting some eyeliner on, but I think I'm gonna leave it as is. For the lips, I'm gonna take the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Disorderly. I actually used like a true red, but this is more my speed, so I'm gonna use a deeper red. Alright, my lips are on. I did decide to put just a little bit of liner along the lash band just to kind of help balance that out because my lower lash line is so dark. But yeah, that concludes the look. If you like what you see or you learned something new, please leave a like or drop a comment down below. If you have not already, please subscribe. This is day 12, so we're just about halfway through here. My eyes do feel better. I've never had an issue with it before, so I'm thinking that maybe it's just because I had lashes on for so long last night. Who really knows? Alright, that's all I got for you today, and I will see you tomorrow.